Good morning, everyone. It's been very special, really good to be here with you when we all observe the National Girl Child Day. Being a girl is very special. Being a woman is very special. And empowering a woman, it is actually a duty which is entrusted in each and every one of us, let it be a boy or a girl. Because when you empower a girl, you are empowering a woman. And when you empower a woman, you are empowering a family. And in turn, when you empower a family, you are empowering a nation. So if you really want to empower your nation, the work, your duty starts at home with your sister, with your mother. When you avoid all the gender discrimination, then and there itself, this empowering starts. And for that, we have to be self-educated. That is very important. And India is a nation where we see a lot of gender discrimination. I agree with you. At the same time, you should also understand India is a nation which really wants the girls to come forward. That is why last year, 2020, the theme of National Girl Child Day was Empower the Girl Child. We have so many policies like Beti Padhao, Beti Bachao. So even such programs are being implemented because we really do care for our girl child. You might be thinking that this might have happened years back. Nothing is wrong in our society. Here, boys and girls are given equal respect. I cannot see any gender discrimination among my friends. But that is not the fact. If everything is right in our locality or in our district or in our residence area, doesn't mean that everything is fine with the nation, everything is fine with the world. There are a lot of areas where still education is denied to girls, where still the girls are married at 10 or 12 or 15 or 18 years of age, where still girl fetus or girl child are being killed because they are girls. So when you educate yourself, you are educating your thoughts, you are educating your neighbors, you are spreading the awareness to each and everyone surrounding you. In Malayalam, there is a saying, Vullapumbadi Ettigidakkum Kallinumunda Saurabhyam. So when you get educated, when your view towards the girl child changes, obviously your society also changes. So on this day, that is on January 24th, usually Girl Child Day is observed on January 24th, let us take a pledge that I will ensure that when I get, since I am an educated person, since I am a cultured person, I will ensure that my sister and all sisters in my locality are given equal chances, are getting equal chances, and they are treated equally. And I will never ill-treat them. And when we take such a decision, everything will change accordingly. One thought can change 1,000 thoughts, 1,000 thoughts can change million thoughts, and in turn this million thought will be changing the thought of our country, the thought of our fellow citizens. Okay? So once again, I really pray that each and every one of the girls' children in the school or in our locality be really proud and really safe and ensure a safe country, a safe city, a safe surrounding for them. Thank you.